You guys, this Bajirao is extremely mastana. Ranveer Singh, always a delight to catch up with, recently lit up an exclusive interview with 9XC's Shadul Pandit. The two got along like a house on fire, and what followed was beyond crazy. You absolutely cannot miss this one, guys.
With band Baja Barat, lagai sabki baat, girls call him hot. Lots of chit chat in this mulaqat. Hail to the Peshwa Veer. What's up, Ranveer? Woo! Woo!
Smoking.
Hot. That is Ranveer Singh. Acha Ranveer, I love your energy. Everybody does. ये कहाँ से आता है? Petrol खत्म ही नहीं होता है. कहाँ से आता है?
I don't know, man. I honestly don't know. I think I'm just very excited and enthusiastic about everything in life, and I guess it just comes from there.
Yeah.
Very basic thing, you know. I'm just thankful for getting this chance to be an actor, and I love what I do, so I do it with full enthusiasm.
Bread pakora की कसम.
Bread pakora की कसम.
All right. अच्छा आपने मराठी accent इस फिल्म के लिए किया है. Earlier you had done the business accent जो बहुत popular हो गया था. Right. So do you know Marathi very well?
No, very well. We used to study, read and write it in school, but काफी अर्जे तक छूट गई थी. But now I learned a little bit for this film, but they had to control me. I wanted to say all my dialogues in Marathi, but they said, listen, it's a pan-India film, it's in Hindi, so please control your emotions.
तो भैया एक काम करते हैं, all your Marathi fans will make you very happy. What we're going to do is that we're going to do a Marathi test with you. Basically, you know, all these things that we use in the normal lingo, मैं आपसे पूछूंगा, आपको मराठी में उनका जवाब देना है.
Okay.
For an example, if we say LOL, you know what do you call it in Marathi? Zor Zorat Hasa.
All right.
All like that. So I'm going to ask you all these things.
Okay.
What is ROFL?
Lotun potun hasto.
Lotun potun hasto. He's bang on, yaar. Achha, by the way, there's also one thing. अगर आप बॉम्बे में रहते हो आपको पता होगा. Have you heard these words like Gondia, Pakya?
Yeah, man. I used to have a lot of Maharashtrian friends growing up, and we used to all be like boys with each other. So you know, playing football, playing cricket. They have a great sense of humor and lovely, warm, and wonderful, simple people.
So hype to all the Pakyas. All right. OMG.
Hey Deva.
Hey Deva. He's bang on, dude. Like you're absolutely there. So आप ये सारी चीजें करते थे on the sets with Mr. Bhansali, or you were very serious?
I was very serious on the film set. It's an intense film. No, it's like it's not. It's quite an experience. So, and Mr. Bhansali, he keeps changing his scenes around and dialogues and actions and everything. So you have to be switched on and on your toes and in there. So I was fully immersed in it when I was on the set. There's no time for anything else but to be present and connected with what is going on.
So moving on, क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ पे accent की बात हो रही है. This is another fun thing we're going to do. This is like a script test.
Okay.
जिसको आपको पढ़ के बताना है हमारी audience के लिए. But the delivery has to be very seductive. Like the big O.
Oh, with the big O.
You know what I'm talking about.
Oh. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky.
For a second there, I thought I'm Arjun Kapoor. But seriously, you are superb. And there's another one. क्योंकि अगर आप इतना अच्छा करेंगे तो ऐसे.
Oh my God!
Now what we're going to do is that you've been playing a lot of characters. This is what the women will love you for. बहुत मजा आने वाला है. इसमें हम क्या करेंगे कि रणवीर आप सबके सामने टिंडे की सब्जी की रेसिपी करेंगे in different characters. You've never seen him do this, and he's the only man who can do this. So Ranveer, what I'm going to do is that you start, and I'm going to ask you to switch characters.
Okay.
All right. 1, 2, 3 in काम वाली बाई स्टाइल.
पहले टिंडे को काटने का. कढ़ाई में तेल को गरम कीजिए और टिंडे को तेल में फ्राई कीजिए.
चौकीदार.
चौकीदार. और हल्दी पाउडर, मिर्ची पाउडर और नमक सब्जी स्वाद अनुसार ऐड कीजिए और धीमे आंच पर पकाइए.
क्रेडिट कार्ड कंपनीज.
फिर बारीक कटा हुआ बड़ा टमाटर उसमें ऐड कीजिए सर, और टिंडे को पकने दीजिए और आमचूर पाउडर ऐड कीजिए. टिंडे की सब्जी गर्मा गर्म सर्व कीजिए. गार्निश विद
बाजीराव.
टिंडे की सब्जी गर्मा गर्म सर्व कीजिए. हर हर महादेव.
Oh, superb. This guy is just a rock star. Achha, Ranveer, yesterday what we did is that, you know, your fans went crazy on Twitter. We said that, ask Ranveer, we're going to meet him today. So there are these two questions we've selected via Twitter. And aap apne fans ko please bataiye. This question is actually very crazy. It is from @Jalwa aur Halwa. और उन्होंने लिखा है कि सिर्फ रणवीर सिंह ही ये जवाब दे सकते हैं.
अच्छा.
Do whips and chains excite you?
No.
That's a flat no, Jalwa and Halwa. All right. Who do you think you look best with, Deepika or Arjun? From Ramesh Gowda.
It's a good question. It's a tough one. I think I look best with Deepika though. I think she's so gorgeous. She makes me look good also.
What will you tell Arjun Kapoor after this interview? He's going to be heartbroken.
He's in Argentina right now, so he's kind of out of it. So I think he'll skip this interview in particular. Usko baat pahunchegi nahi us tak.
अच्छा, ठीक है. अच्छा, now the last thing what we're going to do is that, you know, आपने बहुत सारी चीज की है as an actor, but maybe a lot of things which you've not done. So the game is called Never Ever Have I.
हाँ.
Alright, never ever have I. मैं आपको कुछ चीजें बोलूँगा. आपको सिर्फ बोलना है have you or have you not. Let me just make you free. So, are you ready? Brace yourself. Never ever have I peed on the road.
I mean, I go to the side and I try to find a bush or, you know, I go not on the road. No, not on the road. No, not on the road.
Never ever have I gone commando.
Oh, come on. Yes, I have. Of course.
Where?
Of course, every day.
Every day?
Yeah, at some point.
The girls would like to know where that place is.
At going to sleep.
All right. Never ever have I drunk dialed an ex.
I have never.
You don't drink?
No, I don't drink.
Okay. Never ever have I checked my partner's phone.
Yeah, back in the day, I was quite immature about these things, so I have in my teens.
You were insecure?
In my teens, yes.
Well, he doesn't need to be because all the women love him. Never ever have I hooked up or dated a fan.
No, I have not.
Dating भी नहीं?
नहीं.
तो वो सारी लड़कियां जो लिख रही हैं उनका क्या होगा?
यार डेटिंग थोड़ा मतलब बड़ी बात होती है फॉर मी एटलीस्ट. डेट पे बिजी रहता है आदमी, डेट वेट करने को नहीं मिलता है यार.
Seriously? All right. अच्छा, आज ही मैंने ना आपका वो मल्हारी के steps देखे हैं.
हाँ जी.
Loving it.
जी.
You know, tell me something. Is that your favorite song in the film?
Yeah. Of course, it is. I absolutely love it. You play it, just energy starts coursing through my body, and I absolutely loved the shooting experience. It was a blast to shoot, and I remember the first time I heard it was in a sound studio close by to here, and it was love at first hear. I was blown the minute I heard it.
Malhari, the step also, not that one. Bajirao Mastani ke liye Ranveer Singh might just get the Best Actor award, and I'll pray for that. Thank you so much for being here with us. All the best for Bajirao Mastani.
Isn't that awesome? Anyway, guys, we're slipping into a short break at this point. See you after.